first graders, welcome back. It's me, Mrs. Lamb. We're going to continue with CKLA, Listening and Learning, Domain 2, the human body. Today, we're going to read the Pyramid Pantry. If you remember, Dr. Wellbody spoke with us about the 5 keys to health. She told us to eat well, exercise, get plenty of sleep, wash our hands, and the rest of us, and to have checkups. Today, we're going to meet another one of Dr. Wellbody's friends who wants to talk to us specifically about eating well. Are you ready? Great, come on. Hi, I am Chef Steph, a friend of Dr. Wellbody's. Welcome to my restaurant, the Pyramid Pantry. Dr. Wellbody eats lunch here every day. It's a very cool restaurant, if I do say so myself. Do you know what a pyramid is? It's a shape with triangular sides. My restaurant is shaped like a pyramid. The menu is like a pyramid too. The food we serve is delicious, but that's not all. It's nutritious. That means good for you. Have you ever heard of vitamins and minerals? They are nutrients that your body needs to stay alive. Nutritious foods supply your body with the nutrients you need. They give you the energy you need to play and learn all day. They keep you healthy and help you grow. But not all foods have the same amounts of nutrients. So which foods are best for you? My pyramid menu is one way to help you figure all this out. The foods are divided into groups. Each group is a different colored stripe on the pyramid. Orange for grains like bread and cereal. Green for vegetables like carrots and green beans. Red for fruits like apples and oranges. Oh, I love apples. How about you? You like apples too? But what's your favorite fruit? That's a good one too. Blue for milk and milk products. Purple for meats and beans. Some stripes are wider than others. You should choose most of your food from the groups with wider stripes because you need more of these foods to stay healthy. Each stripe gets narrower as it goes up the pyramid. That's because every food group has some foods that are better for you than others. There is one skinny yellow stripe on the pyramid too. Do you see it? Right there. It stands for oils and for fats like butter and mayonnaise. Why do you think the strip is so skinny? You need to eat a little of oil and fats every day, but not very much. Oils help you grow, keep you warm, protect your bones, help your brain think, and keep your skin and hair healthy. Some oils are better for you than others. For example, olive oil and canola oil are better choices than margarine and mayonnaise. What do I hear? All this talk of food making your tummy growl? That's what happens when you're hungry. If you were very hungry, your legs might feel a little weak. You might even feel a bit cranky. These are signs that your body needs food. Time to look more closely at the pyramid menu. Grains are special types of grasses. Wheat, rice, oats, barley, and rye are all grains. Foods that belong to this group are either whole grains or refined grains. For example, bread is in the grain group. Some breads, like whole wheat bread, are made from whole grains. Other breads, like white bread, are made from refined grains. Refined grains have had most of the healthy parts taken out, whereas whole grains still have all the nutrients your body needs to grow. Whole wheat bread, brown rice, whole wheat spaghetti, whole wheat crackers, oatmeal, rice cakes, and popcorn are all good choices. Yes, even popcorn. Always choose smaller amounts of refined grain foods like white bread, white bagels, and cornflakes. And remember to choose only a little bit of sugary refined grain foods like cupcakes, donuts, and sweetened cereals. Too much sugar is not good for your body. Look at the picture and tell me what foods you think belong to the next group on the food pyramid. That's right, vegetables. Vegetables come in a rainbow of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue, and white. Did you know the color of the vegetables tells what it can do for your body? For example, dark green veggies like broccoli and spinach help build strong teeth and bones. Orange vegetables like carrots help you see well. Fried vegetables like onion rings and French fries are less healthy for your body because they're cooked in oil and fat. Remember the part we said you're only supposed to have a little bit of? Yeah. So just remember to choose a rainbow of vegetables, raw or cooked, but hardly ever fried. And your body will get the nutrients it needs. Raise your hand if you like to eat fruit. Fruits are delicious and come in beautiful colors. Does anyone see one of your favorite fruits in the picture? I know I do. I'm a fan of strawberries. How about you? Those are pretty good too. Just like vegetables, it's important to choose a rainbow of fruits to get all the nutrients your body needs. The best fruits to choose are fresh fruits, like the ones you see in the picture. Pineapples, oranges, bananas, grapes, pears, and blueberries. Dried fruits and canned fruits, jams and jellies, and fruit pies are all good too. Just don't eat too many of them. Can anyone guess why? That's right, because they often contain sugar. Look at the picture and tell me what you see. This is the milk group, but as you can see, it includes other things as well, products made from milk like cheese and yogurt. These things provide your body with calcium and protein, things it needs to make strong teeth and bones to help you grow. It's best to choose low-fat milk and milk foods like skim milk, low-fat cheese, and low-fat yogurt. Eat fewer fatty or sweet foods like American cheese, frozen yogurt, ice cream, and milkshakes. I know they taste good, but if you notice, they're up here towards the top of the pyramid, which means we only need just a little bit once in a while. The last group is meat and beans. Beef, pork, chicken, fish, and turkey all belong to this group. But look at the picture. Do you see anything that doesn't seem to belong? Yes, eggs and beans. So why are they there? They contain protein just like meat. These different foods all work in the same way to help your body grow and move because they all contain protein. It's best to eat the meats grilled or roasted instead of fried in fatty cooking oil or butter. That means you should choose smaller amounts of fried chicken, chicken nuggets, hamburgers, and fish sticks. Now, we've looked at foods in all 6 categories or groups included in the food pyramid. Can you name the 6 categories to me? Good. What else? All right, that's all right. All right, just a few more. Excellent, great job. The most important thing to remember is to eat a balanced diet. That means you must choose a variety of foods from each food group. Eating only grains or only meats will not provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Your body needs foods from each group on the pyramid to help it grow. Are you ready to order some healthy meals from Chef Steph's menu? Don't forget, it's important to eat 3, that's 1, 2, 3 healthy meals a day and eat healthy snacks too. For breakfast, how about oatmeal with some fresh strawberries? Adding a glass of orange juice is a healthy choice as well. See, for lunch, may I recommend my roasted turkey sandwich with lettuce and tomato on whole wheat bread? How about some carrot sticks with yogurt dip, followed by, and there it is again, an apple. A glass of cold milk is not only a yummy addition, but healthy as well. And for dinner, let's see, 3 bean vegetarian chili, baked sweet potato, and for dessert, low-fat pudding with peaches. Sounds perfect, doesn't it? Sounds like a pretty good menu. Snacking between meals is fine as long as you make healthy choices. Which would be better for your body? Ice cream or a low-fat yogurt with fruit? Potato chips or whole wheat crackers and cheese? A candy bar or an orange? Remember, healthy snacks will give you longer lasting energy and a healthier body. That brings me back to my pyramid. Did you notice the stairs going up the side? Do you know why they're there? To remind us to keep moving. We have to keep moving to keep our bodies healthy. It's important not just to eat healthy food, but also to be physically active every day. That means you should participate in skateboarding, swimming, riding your bike, climbing on the playground, or any other sport that you like to do. Keeping active helps you stay the right weight for your body. It keeps your bones and muscles in good shape. It makes your heart and lungs stronger. If you get into a good habit of having fun while you're moving, it'll help you stay healthy for the rest of your life. Well, it looks like I have customers, so Chef Steph's gotta go now. Bye! Those meals that Chef Steph is serving look amazing. Well, let's answer some questions about what you learned today during your time with Chef Steph. Let's see. The first question we have is, what is the skinniest stripe on the food pyramid? Why is it so skinny? Okay, so which stripe was the skinniest? Great job. I heard both right answers. It is the yellow stripe, which is where we find our oils and fats. Now, the other part of the question was, why is it so skinny? Why is that part of the food pyramid so skinny? Excellent. Again, you're right. The yellow section is the skinniest to represent oils and fats, and that is because we're only supposed to eat just a little bit from this section of the food pyramid. All right, let's look at question number 2. To what group do eggs, nuts, and tofu all belong? Which group included eggs, nuts, and tofu? Oh, I heard somebody correct. They're part of the meat group. They're part of the meat group. I know. Eggs, nuts, and tofu, those aren't meat, but the main nutrient we get from meat, being protein, is also found in eggs, nuts, and tofu. Okay, so question number 3. Can you name some foods that are in the vegetables group? All right, some foods. I need different answers, guys. Come on, what do you have for me today? Ooh, that sounds yummy. How about some squash? And what else do you have? Collard greens, okay. And we'll write one more. So we know that squashes are like yellows and oranges and collard greens are green. Can you think of one that's a different color than what's already on the board? Ooh, tomatoes, good job. Great work. And yes, vegetables come in a rainbow of colors. And remember, when choosing vegetables, you want to be exploring within that rainbow of different options. Okay, how about, why are there stairs on the pyramid? Why were there stairs on a food pyramid? I love the way you think. Yes, the stairs are to help us remember to exercise, because good food and keeping our bodies moving are ways to keep us healthy when you use them together. Wow, y'all are doing amazing. Let's take a quick brain break before we continue. All right, guys, so for today's brain break, let's do some stretches. Remember, we want to get our bodies moving. So first, arms up to the sky. Then spread your wings out wide, maybe flap them a little. Give yourself a nice tight hug. All right, let's see if you can balance on one foot. All right, come on, ready? Let's go. Ooh, great balancing. What about the other foot? Can you balance on the other foot? Let's try. Ooh. You might have done a better job than me. I think I'm gonna put my foot down now. Wow, you did some excellent stretching. And you know, speaking of balance, I want to practice a word with you. It is actually 2 words, balanced diet. Can you say balanced diet with me? Balanced diet. Excellent job. So, a balanced diet is one that includes a healthy mix of foods from each of the 6 food groups every day. That means you're eating vegetables, fruits, grains, milk products, and meat. And they're all part of a balanced diet. Can you name some foods that would be part of a balanced diet? Okay, so when you do say these, I want you to try to use a complete sentence. So blank is part of a balanced diet. Let me hear your examples. Good. Apples are part of a balanced diet. Whole wheat bread is part of a balanced diet. What else? No, not chips. I mean, technically potatoes are a vegetable, but remember we learned that once you fry them, they go up towards the top of the pyramid, and you should only have just a little bit. Okay, what else do you know? Low-fat milk is part of a balanced diet. Great job. Beans are a part of a balanced diet. That was an excellent suggestion because you're right, not everybody eats meat, but we do all need protein. Great work today. Well, it sounds like you're on the track to having some wonderful balanced diets, but it's time for you to get moving, and I'll see you later. That's all I have for today, guys. Bye!